How to set the power button to end calls in Samsung Galaxy A12. First of all, go to settings, and then under settings, go to accessibility. Now, under accessibility, choose interaction and dexterity. Then, under interactions, tap answering and ending calls. Now, you have options. Press volume up to answer and press side key to end calls. The side key there is same as the power button. So toggle this on, and that would enable you, as soon as you press on the power button, it will end your calls. Similarly, if you want to answer your calls without touching the screen, you can as well toggle on this press volume up to answer, and that way each time you press the volume up button, and then when the call comes in, it pick the call for you. Great. So that's how to um, choose the power button to end to use it in ending your calls on Samsung Galaxy A12. Thanks for watching.